Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video, market rally after elections, FIIs to invest more. As per a report by global financial institution JP Morgan, foreign investors are waiting till the Lok Sabha elections are completed for increasing investments in India. Huge inflows are expected from FIIs after the election results. You can see the newspaper report. It says JP Morgan sees foreign investors flocking to Indian stocks after Lok Sabha polls. As per the JP Morgan report, many FIIs are staying light with the investments until June and will invest only if there are corrections till then. As of now, BJP is expected to retain power, and this will mean a continuation of market-friendly policies, spending on infrastructure, and focus on bringing more foreign direct investment. JP Morgan estimates that if all foreign investors decide to become overweight in Indian markets compared to right now, another 8.3 lakh crores may enter Indian markets in the next few years. Global funds holdings of Indian stocks stood at around 63.32 lakh crores as on the end of February 2024 out of total market cap of Indian markets 375 lakh crores approximately. FII holdings in Indian equities is at around 16.4%, which is at a decadal low. In December 2020, the FII holding in Indian markets was around 21%. So you can see almost 5% reduction after that. So with the Indian economy's strong fundamentals and also stable government, it is a question of time of when FIIs will start investing heavily in Indian markets. Already, DIIs have been continuously buying stocks since the fund flow from retail investors has been very good from last few years. When FIIs also join DIIs, you can imagine the liquidity in the Indian stock market, which will lead to high demand for all shares. FIIs and DIIs investment in Indian stock markets last few months. I put the summary. September 2023, FII net investment around 18,800 crores negative, that is the sales, and net investment by DIIs 20,000 crores is the inflow. October 2023, net investment is minus 19,623 by FIIs and DIIs 25,106 crores. November 2023, 16,651 crores investment by FIIs. DIIs have invested approximately 12,700 crores. December 2023, FIIs invested 58,498 crores. DIIs around 12,900 crores. January 2024, once again FIIs sold stocks worth 26,111 crores. DIIs invested 26,744 crores. February 2024, FIIs have invested 4,000 crores and DII investment 25,379 crores. Indian markets rallied to the 22,000 mark today since last night US Federal Reserve announced that they were keeping interest rates unchanged this time, but they plan to cut interest rates from around the month of June, and they are likely to cut interest rates 3 times before the end of 2024. Lower interest rates in the US will see large number of FIIs borrow there and invest the money in stock markets such as India's to take advantage. If such a situation arises and there is a rally after election results, investors who are waiting for a huge correction are likely to regret the decision of postponing their investments. Already there has been a pre-election rally of around 12-13%, and now after elections another 12 to 15% is expected. Although stock markets will test our discipline, patience and mental strength by correcting now and then, the overall trend for Indian markets will be up for the next 20 years at least. Many people have been investing in stock markets, but the amount they are investing is lower than what they are capable of investing. It is natural to postpone investing or hoping to buy at lower prices. However, it is better to invest as much as possible as early as possible in life than keep hoping for an imaginary huge correction. A huge correction of 20 to 30% for markets happens once in 5 to 10 years. It does not happen every year, and there is no point in waiting for a big fall to invest the money we have. You may be doing SEP, but we hear many people keep saying that they are waiting for a big fall for investing the lump sum amount they have. It is better to invest in stock markets and get 1 to 2% CAGR lesser than wait for 1 to 2 years or more and keep the money in FD. Usually, such money is not invested at all, since when markets fall, we tend to wait for further correction to invest our money. So keep investing, even if you have lump sum, keep investing in phases. Don't keep waiting, because then you may never invest in markets. Please note that you should do proper fundamental analysis. We notice that many people think they know how to invest, but when we see the stocks they hold, we realize that they are just overconfident and they are likely to fail or underperform in the long term because of the lack of understanding of which stocks to select. That is the reason webinars like ours and online courses like ours are very useful for every investor. If you like this video, please click the like button and type in the comment section, as of now, what percentage of your total assets is in stock markets. Mention the percentage in the comment section. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.